Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new basically free play interactive stuff that you can do. So there's a swimming pool here, and like the bathroom is now interactive. If you go to the high school bathroom, I think it's the high school one. So just press E, and as you can see, I'm on the bathroom. What else is new? Well, there's dressing rooms here as well, which is pretty cool. There's this cute summer house. There's like a washing machine. There's a place where you can sit. There's an oven. Oh, there's a stove that you can cook on. Okay, dress to impress. This is looking more like a role play game. And then if you go upstairs, there are rooms. So this one's the first room. Cute. You can pretend you're playing Dress to Impress here. And there's a bed you can sleep on. And then there's also another room which has a bunk bed. And then there's, okay, I went to this room already. There's this one. It is a bathroom. Can I shower in it? Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, but the toilet does work. Sink works too. You can wash your hands. Please do that after you go to the bathroom. What else? There should be... Okay, I think this is it. But I am super impressed with the new update. Like a lot of cool spots to take pictures in. And definitely private servers are more worth it than ever. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.